So this big ol' box is from Boxycharm Ipsy. I made it onto their affiliate program, so I do have a code for you to sign up if that is something you're interested in. So yeah, I'm very excited. I already obviously cut the tape off, and then we have all the goods inside. I think I'm gonna open this first. Oh, this bag is so cute. I'm used to like the tiny little like, small bags, so this is really cute to get a sack, and I really like the print. It's very summery. I like the little cord. So let's see what's inside. What is this? Toy Factory blending brush. Ooh, okay. I haven't gotten new brushes in a while, so I'm excited to use this. The one thing I love about Ipsy and Boxycharm is that you get to hear about brands you had no idea even existed, like this one. Let's see. This is Seraphine Botanicals? Seraphina? I don't know. But it is a liquid eyeliner. Keys Soul Care. Golden cleanser with manuka honey, turmeric, curcuma. This is really sleek packaging. I guess it just twists off. Oh, okay, cool. Well, I am out of cleanser, so this is perfect, and give it a go, see how I like it, and I'll report back. Okay, there's 2 more items. Head Candy Lip Butter. Ooh, and lemon citrus. I love it. It matches the bag. Kind of looks like Burt's Bees a little bit, but like chunkier. Let's see what the last thing is from Ipsy. Trust Fund Beauty. Oh, it's a brow gel. Oh, it's a mystery. Must be clear. Doesn't say on the package. Nope, doesn't say anything. Okay, yeah, it's clear. Oh, that looks nice. That's all that was in this Ipsy bag. This is for July, so the one for August should be coming soon, so whenever you sign up, I imagine you'll get August. This is July, kind of like a good preview of what you could get in an Ipsy bag, and it seems like they made their bags a little bit bigger, a little bit nicer, so that's exciting. We move on to the Boxycharm stuff. I'm really excited because I know it's gonna be like, I think full-size products, if I'm not mistaken. Took out the like paper stuff, and there's another bag, so I don't know what that is. Let's find out. Now I'm like, I got 2 of these bags. It'd probably be good for like travel, to like put your stuff in, and they're really cute. Maybe take it to the pool, put your phone in there. I don't know, something. What's this? Refreshments Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. Oh, that's cool. And it comes with, ooh, shave cream. I wonder what it smells like. Getting like, oh my god, like a faint lemon smell. It says citrus spritz, but I don't really smell it. I guess maybe whenever you're using it in the shower, like the aroma will kind of like awaken, but that's really cool. I haven't like used a proper like shave cream in so long, so I feel like this is very like pampering, and the packaging is so cute, so I'm really excited to see how it works. I'm normally like a men's razor type of person because like my leg hair is just thick. Latina problems. I wonder what the actual thing looks like. Oh, is this like a holder? No way. Okay, so it's like a command strip thing. You can just like put it in the shower. That is so cute. Oh, this is really nice. I feel so fancy when I'm shaving my legs and my armpit. Well, thank you so much, Ipsy. This is so exciting. And there's a whole other box in there, and I'm like, I feel so spoiled right now. Look how beautiful this box is. It's very like dreamy and ethereal. I already cut the little tape so I wouldn't be like fumbling with it. I guess Ipsy and Boxycharm are like now the same umbrella, but I applied for this program back in March. I had gotten an email. I know that they were closed for like new people, but then I got an email like in the end of May, I believe, saying that they were wanting to select me. So, you know, after all this, you know, time, It really pays off to reach out to the brands that you really want to work with. Even if they don't respond right away, you taking like that first step is like all you need, because like I never thought I'd be someone who's with Ipsy Boxycharm, so you never know. Always give it a shot. Let's open her up. More paper. Ooh, okay. Oh wait, let me read the card first. Ipsy Creator Incubator. We hope you love your products this month. There's the glam bag with 5 deluxe beauty samples, up to $70 value. Boxycharm is 5 full-size beauty products. I guess instead of the Ipsy like tiny bags, they're glam bags, and this is like the Boxycharm. Thank you so much, Ipsy. This is so exciting. I feel so special right now. But yeah, let me just show you what's in here. This is a vitamin E face moisturizer from Malin and Goats. The packaging looks very like clinical and official. We'll give it a shot. The next product in my box, I've been trying to film what I've been saying like 2 or 3 times already. My cats sound like they're wrestling. Anyway, I'm very excited about this product. It's from Sweet Street. I've never heard of the brand, but I really enjoy the packaging. This is their candy paint glitter shimmer lip gloss, and their logo is super cute. It's like a double S, and I already opened it and I did put it on my lips, but I want to show you guys. This is like the logo I was talking about. Super cute. Yeah, and this is the lip gloss. I love lip glosses this shade because it looks very similar to my natural lip color, and I love the fact that there's glitter in here, because it's just like I can pop it on. I'm gonna put more on just so you can see. Isn't that so pretty? And I can't imagine what it looks like in the sun, like just catching the light. Your lips are gonna look so like juicy and fun, and just like people are gonna be like, what's on your lips? It's this. This is the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. Oh my gosh. This is the packaging, very minimalistic. I love the black and white. I'm someone that has dandruff from like buildup on my scalp, so this is perfect actually. It says exfoliate, clarify, balance for all hair types. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. Basically, it just gets all of the junk off your scalp. This is what it looks like. It's very like this, has like a very like clinical look to it. I am excited to try this. What is this? Ooh, Natasha Denona Fez palette. I've never owned a Natasha Denona palette before. Whoa, this is so beautiful. And like the weight of it makes it feel like so luxurious. I've never used a Natasha Denona palette before, but this is so beautiful. Wow, this is giving like desert, like glamour vibes or something. I'm into it. I'm so excited to use this. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This blue and this gold, just every single, like the middle 3 are what are calling my name, but the whole palette is so beautiful. It just feels like, oh, it feels good. It feels so good, and I am so excited. I don't really have very many like luxury brand items. I'm more of like an indie brand drugstore type of gal, so my first like luxurious brand like palette, so exciting. And then there's one last thing in here, Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow Gold Eye Masks. I think when I was a part of Boxycharm before, I got some gold under eye masks and I really liked them, so I'm excited to see. Oh shoot, this is just 5 pairs in here. That's awesome. So you can use one every week and still have like a little bit over a month. That's awesome. So these are all of the full-size items that I got in this Boxycharm box, which is a great deal. Especially if you, oh my gosh, my camera. especially if you are just getting into makeup and you don't really know like where to go. This is the perfect service to like explore new brands, kind of get a feel for what you're like, what you like. But also like if you're someone who's been doing makeup for a long time, like me, literally almost all of these brands I've never heard of, and I'm very excited about them. So I think Boxycharm and Ipsy is good for anyone. It doesn't matter how long you've been doing this. Honestly, it's like a fun little like gift surprise to yourself because you don't know what's in the box, and you know, you're just paying for it. So if you're interested, I will put the code or the link somewhere in the description so that way you could sign up. And yeah, let me know if you sign up and what you're excited to see. Thank you again so much, Ipsy. I don't know how many times I can say I'm excited, but I'm very excited. And if any of these products are exciting to you, please sign up. It really is worth a shot. I've had both services in the past and liked them and got really great products that I had no idea even existed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.